Today I share with you how to make easy peasy breakfast. This recipe is just so cool, especially for the kids. You are going to love it. So sweetie, let's see how this is being done. To begin, I'm going to be greasing this pan with butter. I just have to let all the pan to cover everywhere like this. So what I do now is to arrange bread on top of the pan like this. I just have to make sure that the bread cover all the parts of the pan, so I just will have to arrange that like twice. So if you have a bigger pan, you can as well make it three. So this last space I have to cut the bread like this. So after getting everything covered, what I do now is to add in tomato sauce. So you can as well use ketchup if you have any. So after getting everything covered, next is for me again to arrange the bread. Okay, so we have to arrange the bread twice so that it's going to have this double shape like this. So once you just arrange everything, it's going to still cover everywhere around until everywhere gets covered. Have you shared, guys? So you have to try this recipe. It's just so easy to get done. It doesn't even have to stress you, but you have to make it, and everyone that eats it with you, especially the kids, they are going to appreciate you. Now I'm still going to take the same sauce to grease everywhere around like this. So after getting that done, this is what I have. So what I do now is to add in is chicken. Over here we have already parboiled chicken. So what I do is to first of all get that scatter. So we're not going to use it like this. You have to pieces it until it come out perfect like this. So at this point it's going to enable us to use. So what I do now is to add all the chicken on top of it like this. So I just add everything until they cover all the parts of the bread. So easy. So after getting that done, this is what I have. So you cover everywhere, and then what I do now is to keep it aside. So the next we are going to be adding is this red bell pepper we have here. The center we have onions, and next here we have chicken sausage. And then all I do is to get this sliced together. So I'm going to take the ones I need and then slice it until they come out perfect like this. So this is just it after slicing everything. So what I do now is to add all of it again on top of the bread like this. It was just looking so easy and delicious. So this is just it. I'm just going to add everything, and then it's going to come out so beautiful. So that is just so perfect, guys. This recipe is just so easy to get together, and it's everything delicious. Next is for me to add in cheese. So over here I'm just going to add in cheese on top of it like this. So this cheese is going to cover all this sausage, and center is going to lap everything like this. Now I'm done adding all the cheese. Next is for me to add in is black pepper. So don't forget to add the pepper on top of it like this. So just adding the pepper, and then we are going to take this to the oven for that to do the job. So this is going to take us just 5 to 6 minutes to get this baked, and then we are ready to enjoy. So yeah, just take it to the oven. Next is for us to prepare is this smoothie. I'm going to make this banana, carrot and milk smoothie, and then at this point our food is done. Oh my god, it cooks so nice, and the center it comes out so yummy. So that is just it. Just use the knife to cut it around, and then just enjoy with your family. It was just easy to get done, guys. It was so delicious. See how beautiful that look. We just eat every bit of this. It was so perfect. At this point I'm done grinding the smoothie, and here we have it. So sweetie, all you have to do is to share. Serve this for your family, especially for breakfast. Your kids, hobby, everyone that eats this with you is going to appreciate you. All you need to do is to share. I love you. In my next one, bye.